elephant. The elephant is the biggest animal on land. What's this? Let's play together. Wow, good job! Monkey. Let's give it some milk. It wants more. I like it so much. The naughty monkey likes to climb onto tall trees. What's this? Let's play together. Wow, good job! Wow, it's grown. Look, the baby kangaroo hides in its mother's pouch. What's this? Let's play together. Wow, good job! Giraffe. Wow, it's grown. The giraffe is the tallest animal on land. What's this? Let's play together. It's so fun! Elephant. It wants to eat bananas. It wants to eat bananas. It wants to eat bananas. It's shy. Dairy cow. It wants more. The dairy cow can produce a lot of milk every day. What's this? Let's play together. It's so fun! Wow, it's grown. Wow, this sheep is so chubby and cute. What's this? Let's play together. It's so fun!